some blue chunky glitter, Blake.
And then I added in some red glitter. Mine isn't really a metallic because I added shaving cream. So, yeah. Sorry
And red glitter. I'm going to do my, so this is my stretch.
This looks really nice.
This is my stretch. This is my stretch. It's not really
It's a nice
good.
stretch.
My stretch is horrible, guys. Like, this is me stretching it.
So here's my swirl. Here's my swirl. Wait, I'm not done. Not done, I said. Still got
Gosh,
some
Miss
glitter.
Alini.
Yeah, Miss Lorini's out, I think.
Guys, we learned that from Maddie and Priscilla. Shout out to them.
Yeah, they're.
Guys, this is my
This is
my
from
first
you, Maddie.
swirl ever, guys. This is actually awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna add some glitter. Oh, way too much. Yikes! Oops! Yikes!
And Maddie and Priscilla, I learned all from you, and I love your videos. We also.
She can even do Miss Alini voice.
And now there's my swirl, and now I'm going. Look at.
Nice.
Okay, guys, so I kind of fixed it a little bit. Looks pretty nice.
My slime is amazing. I love it so much.
I just took some glitter off because you can even admit I added like 2 tons of glitter. Guys, I'm going to change the theme up and I'm going to add some light pink glitter with the red.
Like not a lot. Okay, that's good.
Oh, it looks like snow, guys.
But like, I get to tell you what to do because this is my glitter.
Okay.
Miss Lorini.
Guys, this looks actually amazing.
It does.
So I'm
And
gonna...
Priscilla, I know you cheat a lot, Maddie, but you don't cheat really.
No, but she cheats sometimes.
Yeah, in her old days, she used to cheat.
I don't really watch them. It's just they're always on, so I listen to them.
And Priscilla, you gotta stop cheating for once and actually play the game. Cause last time you cheated.
You're being mean to Maddie and Priscilla. Gosh.
This is actually Priscilla, actually.
But she still loves you guys.
Yeah, I still love you. Love. And can you, and I know you live in California, right? Because you said it one time. And then I live in
No, don't say.
Illinois. And maybe we could FaceTime one time. And
That'd be actually awesome.
Blake would want to see Priscilla and Maddie.
No, I wouldn't.
Well, we still listen to you guys because
I mean, I'll say hi, but no way I'm staying up this one.
and we also message you guys on Instagram, I think.
So, if you guys have Maddie and Priscilla's number, send us to them.
So we can FaceTime you and text. Bye guys, hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up and shout outs to Maddie and Priscilla.
Bye, guys!
Blake, what's your favorite YouTuber again?
I don't know. I just watch random people.
Formula?
No, he used to be my old one. I have a bunch of favorites.
Well,
Deuces.